Okay, so yesterday I was out here, cleaned this whole walk up, had a nice little spot where people could get out to the road. Plow drivers come along this morning, and just like they did last winter, they brought all the snow up Foxwood Trail and plowed it right up on this corner. This has got to be at least 4 feet, maybe 5 foot deep of snow that we have out here now. There's no possible way that I can be digging through that snow myself and dig another pathway for people to walk. So from now on, there's going to be no way that anybody's going to be able to walk up this sidewalk to the park without going around and trying to find a spot where I plowed a hole in the driveway. Unfortunately, when they come up here and they actually plow in the driveway, I'm sure I'm going to have to deal with that myself, because I've got to be able to get in and out with the car. But this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous that we're put in this kind of a situation.
I don't want to sing no song.